This conference will now be recorded.
Any questions you have till now? Anything you want to ask?
Not exactly, no.
Okay. Try to do practice. It will look easy, but while doing, you will get confusion. Let me go to our app.
Mm-hmm.
And switch off. Okay. So let me go to setup. So today we'll start automation. In automation, we'll discuss about workflow. So before going to be workflow, so let me explain the requirement. The requirement is, so whenever HR creates an employee record, whenever we create an employee record, means we means HR. Okay. So along with the details, whatever the details we given here, along with store details like which store is appointed, which designation, date of joining, experience, salary, qualification, with all those things we want to send an welcome email to the employee. We want to send welcome email. Okay. So welcome email means generally if you have done any shopping, if you have done any online shopping, if you have anything, if you have done anything, if you have gone through any website where they are giving services. So generally you will get an email, right, about their product, anything they have new launch, anything you will get an promotional emails you will receive, right? The same way,
Mm-hmm.
so this company wants to send an welcome email to this employee. Okay. So whatever the employee record I created here, okay. So that employee record,
Okay.
whatever, okay, whatever the email ID I entered here,
Mm-hmm.
to this email ID, whatever the email ID I entered here in this field, okay. To this email, I want to send the welcome email. Okay. So this is the requirement. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So how we can achieve? We can achieve through workflow. So before going to be create a workflow rule, I need to here I need to create a few prerequisites. Those are all I need to upload a logo, then I need to create a letterhead. So to upload a logo, let me go to classic. So we can achieve this requirement only in classic. So still classic, Salesforce classic. So you might have asked me, sir, we have already logo. No, this is a logo of the app. We are not uploaded this logo as a wherever we need we can use. Not like that we are not uploaded. So let me refresh. Just click on this plus mark. Okay, means alt tab. Just click on this. Let's go to document. Yeah, documents. Okay. So in this folder we can save or we can create a new folder. I want to upload the document in
It
this
can
folder. Click
only be
on.
done. Yeah.
Sorry.
And I was asking, this can only be done on the classic.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Still, they are not given this option in Lightning. Okay, this only this particular thing we can we have to come to class. Okay, so click new document. So what is the document name we want to give? Okay, here we can mention the name. Okay, name is lens logo, lens logo, and select this extremely available for use means Okay, whenever you want, you will get this logo wherever you want. Okay, and choose file to be uploaded on desktop. Upload the logo. Accept. Okay, logo got updated, right?
Mm-hmm.
One second. Let me change the network. Be online. Let me change.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Now it's fine.
Yeah.
Now
Your voice is cracking.
okay. Actually, this network is problem. This time it's this connecting. I don't know. Now it's fine. No.
Hello.
Yeah. Now is it fine or still same? This
It's still cracking, but I can figure out some words.
one second. Yeah. Hello. Now it's fine.
Yes, Shubin. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. Okay. So I just created a logo. What I want to create a letterhead. So before any email template, I need to have a letterhead. Right? On the letterhead only, we'll write an email, right? Whatever the content we want. So let me create a letterhead. So let me come back to Lightning Experience. Hello.
Yes, Shubhani.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm able to hear you. Is it fine? The voice is fine.
The voice is fine.
Okay. So let me go and create an email letterhead. So to create a letterhead, I need to go to setup. So in setup, so we can so let me type letterhead. LETT, yeah, letterhead. So letterhead means it will show like a classic letterhead. So don't get confused with the name called classic. It's a letterhead only. So we can use in Lightning. Okay, it's a Lightning letterhead only, but the name is classic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so click on classic letterhead. Classic letterhead. Okay. So letterhead generally it will look like this, right? On the header, body, right?
Mm-hmm.
Header, body, footer. Okay. Then click next. Okay. So click on new letterhead. I want to create a new letterhead. Okay. So select, make it means available for use means we can use wherever you want. Okay. So letterhead name. What is the letterhead name I want to give? I want to give like welcome, welcome email. Okay. Email letterhead. So I can use this letterhead for welcome email. Okay, that's what my meaning. Now, so this is what the letterhead. Okay. So letterhead will contain three parts. One is header, body, and footer. Header, body, okay, footer. Okay. So in header, you can select a logo, you can upload a logo, you can write anything. So select logo, we can upload a logo here. See what is the logo we uploaded? Lens logo. It will come here. Okay. It's more logo is not good actually. Okay, no worries. Have you preview how it looks like? Okay, close. Okay, so you can set a background color of this logo. Okay, you can set a background color of this letterhead. If you want to change the color, you can change. Okay, you can change whichever color you want. Okay, I don't want to change anything, and we can change the color of this body. If you want to keep in center the logo, you can change. You can come, and if you want to change it
Mm-hmm.
in on right side, it will go right side also. Okay. So if you want to make okay, right side, keep it right side, and I want to no, I want to keep it left side only. And if you want to change the color, background color, you can change. Okay, you can change the color to that red. Okay. Now, if you want to remove the logo, you can remove. Okay, logo will remove. Want to select logo, you can select again. Okay, and you can edit the line. This line you can edit the top line, so you can give the black border. Okay. Next, in the body, you can change only color. You cannot write here because it's a template. Okay, it's a template. You cannot write here. You can
Mm-hmm.
only change the body color. So I don't want to change any color, and you can change the middle line also. So middle line, if you want to keep any other color, you can keep. So let's say some dark blue. Select. And in the footer also, you can change some properties like footer color. So I want to take orange. Okay. And properties. Center. Nothing we have not selected it. Okay. Logo we have not done it. Yeah. Bottom line also you can change. Bottom line also. Let's keep dark black. Okay. Let's have a preview. Okay. So this is how the logo, the letterhead look like. Okay. So in the this whatever the matter we want to type here, we can write in letterhead. We can write in class email template. Okay. Save it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now letterhead got created. Now email template. I want to create an email template. Just go to email. classic email template. So don't get me the word called classic, it's email template. So these are all the standard email templates which has been provided by Salesforce. Okay. Now I want to create a new, click new email template. So here we have four type of email templates. We can create four type of email template. Okay. Out of them, one is a text email. Okay. Another one is a HTML using classic letterhead. Another one is custom without using classic letterhead. Okay. Custom without using classic letterhead.
Mm-hmm.
So another one is visual force. This is related to development. So this letterhead we can create by using development. So we'll not see this one since it is a development. So something called we'll create with a HTML. HTML using classic letterhead. While creating this letter email template, system will allow you to select the text. So by default, text also will create there. So HTML plus text. Next, custom without using classic letterhead means so while creating custom email template, automatically the text also will get created in the land. So it's a custom plus
Mm-hmm.
text also. Okay. Now I want to create a HTML using classic letterhead like next. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So select available for use. Okay. So I want to select here something called email template name. I want to give as a welcome email. Okay. Welcome email. Okay. And letterhead, whichever letterhead you want to pick, select email, whatever the letterhead we select created, right? Welcome email letterhead. See, okay, just selected here. And the layout, email layout, which click on view email layouts. These are all the email layouts we have. Okay, so purpose of the email layout are different. Let's say you are doing any promotion, you can use this one. Okay, and any formal letter, this I want to use this free form letter. Okay, so select here free form letters. So whichever format you want to select, you can select, depends upon your requirement. Okay, and subject is I want to give as a welcome to Reliance Digital. The subject will be welcome to Reliance Digital while the user has been received an email. Okay, then click next. See, okay. Now in the letterhead came here. Now we can type here whatever we want. But if you observe in the while creating a letterhead, we will not able to write. But email template, we can by using this letterhead, we can write.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now you can select the font here, and you can select the size here, and you can select the color. You want to bold, you want Italian, underline. So whatever this you can select. Okay. So what is this available for fields means? Okay. Here it will display all the object fields. Okay, with all the object fields. Why? Because let's say here I'm writing. Let's say matter is hello. Okay. So here the name should be there, right? Hello Shubhani, hello Priyanka, hello Mohana. Something name we should write here, right? So
Mm-hmm.
to get that name, okay. So whatever the name in the email field user has been entered, that name only has to be displayed in the name, right? Whatever first name or last name, right? In the field,
Yeah.
whatever the names we give, that name only mail has to go, right? With that name only, right? So me here we have something called fields. We can select a object called employee related fields only, right? Employee fields in employee fields. Okay, here which field you want to set? You want to write? I want to write first name of the employee letter. Okay, I want to select first name. Sorry, first name. Okay, just copy this one merge field. Okay, just paste here so that okay, if you try to create different users, whatever the username, whatever the first name you give, that name will come out. Generally while receiving an emails, okay, email will receive with the form of our name. We'll also get confused how Zomato person know my name, right? So you'll receive an emails with your name means like this. Okay, understood this one?
Yep.
Okay, now I want to write an email template saying that some this is to okay, welcome to Reliance. Something I just want to copy this. Okay. Now, so please find, please your, let's say your employment designation. So I need to copy from the value should come from the field, whatever the designation we have entered in designation field. So just copy this field, image field. Sorry. Okay. Next, qualification. So select the field called qualification and salary. Salary. What is the salary? Next, um, date of joining. Date of joining. Date of joining. Next, which store we are giving an appointment. Okay, store. So select the store. Store name. Paste. Thanks and delivered. HMD. Okay. So we can have a preview also how it look like. So this is how our letterhead look like. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
next. Okay. See, text only email content, right? So copy the text from HTML, whatever the HTML written, so everything came and save. Text also created now. Okay. Now create another another email template also. Email to new email template. So now I want to create custom for another purpose. Let's say I'll use for this. This I'll use for requesting for leave. Okay, leave request, leave application. For example, leave application. Okay, so subject will be leave request. Next, in the body, what matter I want to type? I want to say that hello, I'll be on leave from Okay. Something I just given only one letter. Review. See, everything came in one line. So we have something called BR, break the line. For an see, BR means it will break the lines. Okay, it's a small like a small syntax in HTML. BR. Okay, so this how it comes. Close this. Next, this now text only it's asking to create copy from HTML. Okay, save. Okay. Now we have created all the email templates. Now let's go and create a workflow. Workflow. Just try to read in your machine, means in your login, and create a new rule. So workflow rules will define on objects. Why? Because this particular one I want to create, I want to execute on employee object, right? The requirement is an employee object. Click next. Okay. So what is the rule name I want to give? Rule name is welcome email, right? Welcome email. Okay. Now the description. Now you want to write any description, you can write, or else. Now when you want to execute this criteria, when you want to execute means when you want to execute when a record is created, right? When a first time a record is created, not every time edited. If you are sending every time the record is edited, if you are sending an email, that look awkward, right? Because you are saying welcome email, you are sending every time. It's not good. So I want to send when a record is created, not created and every time it's edited. Only when a record is created, that time only evaluate this criteria when a record is created. Okay. So what is the criteria? Okay. So when I want to send an email means if the user has been entered in the email field, okay, if data is there, then only send an email, right? Means email field should not be null, right? That's what I need to define that one. The field call, okay, the field called email, okay, okay, called email not equal to null, not equal to null means value is there, then only what action you want to execute. I want to execute, I want to send an, see, add action. What I want action you want to send? I want to send an email alert. Okay. So what is this email alert is welcome email to employee. Okay. Then email template. So whatever the email template we have created, so from here we can call that email template. Welcome email. Okay. Now to recipient type, who is going to receive this email, right? Means email field only, right? In the email field, okay, email field, whatever the email we have entered, right? Right? Email field, whatever the email entered, he is only going to be, they are only going to be recipient type. Who is the recipient type? In the email field, whatever the email you have entered, that one. Just add this one. So in the email field, whatever the email ID we have entered, he is going, the particular person is going to receive this welcome email, whatever you have created in the email template, welcome email. Okay. And save it. Done. Okay. Activate it. Okay. Now let's go and create a email. Let's go and create a employee record. New employee. Here are now selected email field. So creating data of journey today, experiences 10 years, salary, designation, HR, which store, Hyderabad store, email. Let me give my email to check whether I will receive an email or not. Right? gmail.com. Save. Let me go and check my email. I got an email. See, welcome to Reliance Digital. Okay. Click save. So hello, welcome to Reliance Digital. Whatever the matter I edited and designation HR, function BTech, salary 1 lakh, date of joining this is store head. Right? Whatever the data I entered in the
Okay.
field, same data came. So this how we can write we can create an email template. Let me try to edit this object. Okay, let me edit the object. Say, let me edit the record. Will I get this email or not? Let's see. Okay, because we have written whenever a record is created, not every time edited, right?
Mm-hmm.
Save it. No, I just edited the record. Now let me go and check whether I will receive an email or not. No, I am not receiving. Why? Because I just execute this formula whenever a record is only created, not edited. Right?
Okay.
Clear? Okay. Clear?
Yep.
Okay. So this how we can write a workflow on email alert. So we have another option to see. So we'll see in tomorrow's session.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions here?
Yeah. No.
Okay. 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 Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivani.
Bye.